At the top there's two microphones. On the right side, power button and the volume buttons. At the bottom we can find two another microphones, speaker, USB-C port, and SIM card slot. As you can see, we can find two SIM slots. There's no memory card slot. On the back we can find three cameras with flashlight. And now the best part. This screen doesn't have any protection as default. Let's turn it on and let's check for some box accessories. SIM ejection tool, double USB-C cable and the 1 meter length, energy information, quick start guide, and warranty card. There is nothing more inside, so this phone comes without the charger. And now we can find here 6.7 inches Super AMOLED screen and the full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, and the peak brightness is 1900 nits. The chipset inside is 4nm Exynos 1480. You can get 6, 8 or 12 gigs of the RAM and internal storage 128 and 256.
On the top we can find 50 megapixel camera, 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, and a 5
megapixel macro camera. The selfie camera is 12 megapixel, and this phone can actually record 4K in the 30 frames per second. The battery 5000 mAh and charging 45 watts, so faster than a Samsung Galaxy S26. There's also the IP68 water resistant, dual speakers. The first one is available here at the top and second one at the bottom. And there's also Gorilla Glass Victus covered on the screen.